Before I even get to it, I can hear the creek, more like a river, cold and deep. It's the spring thaw, and beneath there are fish, thrilled and swimming, lots of different types, while red squirrels climb down and up trees, finicky and fussy and funny, with the red tails shaking. I hear hawks. I can hear them, just like you, and the trees making canopies along the riverbeds everywhere in Ontario. Trees line water, and that's how you can find rivers and bits of water and lakes, but mostly rivers. There is a sound, as you know, and so much life. In the bogs, it's spongy. People fear to tread. Nobody walks on bogs. We take them instead, and we do different things with them, like putting up buildings on uneven ground. That is our lungs, the bogs. Just like the trees are our source of oxygen. Also, they hold the soil. And for all of this pops the flowers. And the flowers, everybody, almost everybody, loves certain kinds of flowers. Sunflowers like the sun. Cacti. Depending on where you live, we get chicory here. Now, we could grind the root instead of just saying it's a weed. So, for all our judgments, nature, bountiful nature, beautiful, gorgeous, sustaining nature, sustaining our lives. What is the prize? What is the prize? For me, in a relationship, I want to know you down to your root. No matter what you look like, beautiful is easy to say. Everything is gorgeous here. It's heaven on earth to me. Everything has a purpose. Just like humans, we all have things that we're good at. Our soul may call to us and tell us, this we must fulfill. Deep down, all I search for is not the superficial, outward images that draw my attention visually. I want you to see beyond what I look like on the outside. What is my purpose in life? What resources will I share with you? What is my value? What is my medicine? We all have our own form of medicine, or it could be put another way. What character traits are compatible? And when life keeps growing, the tree eventually will fall, and it will still remain useful and valuable, with moss growing outside of it, and mushrooms that are edible, and creatures that find a home. So, I seek depth, whether it be in the water. There are many plants and coral reefs, beautiful coral reefs with their abundance of life. What is below? What is above? In the sky, we watch clouds form and float by, oceans and rivers that will pour down upon us in the form of snow, rain, mist, fog. It's all about, for me, falling in love by slowly getting to know you and you taking the same interest in me. It's investigative in an intimate way. What brings the sunniest smile to your face? It could be rain. You could be growing in shade and part sun. We are all different. It's not what we look like that's important to me. It's what's deeper inside our souls and hearts. It's what each person lives for, what they're good at to celebrate, what they need help with to flourish. What kind of soil do you best grow in? That is what interests me and always has. And if you are compatible with that, we will find each other and we will live deeply interested and engaged in life, together and separately, just like nature, interdependent. I can't wait.